Hello children, how are you all? I hope everyone is doing good. Okay children, which is the thing we need the most in our day-to-day life? Can you all guess what it is? Yeah, very good. It is water. Okay children, today we are going to learn about water. Okay. Our new lesson name is My Needs Water. I repeat once again. Our new lesson name is My Needs Water. Shall we start now? Okay children. Children, let's have fun with the water video. Listen very carefully. Okay. Okay children, I hope everyone enjoy this video. Quickly take your EVS Studio page number 45. Okay, shall we do this activity? Okay, what it is? What is the first activity? PEP activity 4.1. Okay, uses of water. Children, there is something missing in these three pictures. What is it? Write in the space provided. See the picture children. See the three pictures. Can you see the picture? Can you see the picture? There is something missing in this picture. Can you see the picture? There is something missing in this picture. What it is? I hope everyone gets this answer. Okay, very good. What is missing? See the three pictures. Very good. Water. Okay, water. So, write in the space provided. Okay, write it in the space provided. Okay, children, hope you have wrote correctly. Your answer is very correct. The answer is water. Okay, the answer is water. Okay, children. Now, let us learn what is rainwater harvesting through a song. Listen carefully, dears. Okay. Okay, children. Hope you all understood what is rainwater harvesting. Okay. Take page number, dear. Page number 2, and see the picture, dears. All living things need water to live. Water is also used for plenty of daily activities that happen not only in our home but also in schools, offices, shops, market and many other places around us. It is a rainy day. So, Pranab is at home. Let us find out what he is doing. Who is Pranab here? Very good. This boy name is Pranab. Okay, so the Pranab is helping his mother. She has asked him to help arrange some buckets on the terrace to collect rainwater. Through his window, Pranab noticed the bucket filling up with water. He ran inside happily to inform his mother. His mother told him that they could use this water in many ways. His mother tell him that they could use this water in many ways. Shall we see now? Okay. Okay children, take activity number 4.2. See the picture. Here are some ways human can use water. Label the picture in the space provided. So, we should learn like Pranab. We should also save rainwater and use it in many ways. Okay, what are the uses? Shall we see now? What is the first picture? I hope everyone gets this picture. What it is? First one is a bathing. What is the spelling for bathing? B-A-T-H-I-N-G. Bathing. What is the next one? See the picture. Very good. I hope everyone gets this answer. The second picture is sailing. What is the spelling for sailing? S-A-I-L-I-N-G. Sailing. I repeat once again, dear. Say along with me. What is the spelling for sailing? S-A-I-L-I-N-G. Sailing. What is the next one? See the picture here. What is the next one? Very good. The next one is the gardening. What is the spelling for gardening? G-A-R-D-E-N-I-N-G. Gardening. Okay, children, shall we move to the next one? Okay. See the picture, dear. I know everyone guessed this answer. Okay. The next answer is cooking. Okay. What is the spelling for cooking? C-O-O-K-I-N-G. Cooking. Okay. See the next picture. What it is? Very good. Washing clothes. W-A-S-H-I-N-G. Washing clothes. C-L-O-T-H-E-S. Clothes. Washing clothes. See the next picture. What this girl doing here? Very good. Next one is the washing hands. Washing hands is a very much important, children. Already we are in a pandemic situation now. So washing hands regularly, and if you are touching anything, so immediately you can wash your hands. Okay, children. Washing hands. W-A-S-H-I-N-G. Washing hands. H-A-N-D-S. Hands. Washing hands. Okay, see the next picture, dear. What it is? Very good. I hope everyone gets this answer. Very good. Drinking water. So, okay, drinking water is the most important. We have to take plenty of water, especially hot water. Okay, what is the spelling for drinking water? D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G. Drinking water. W-A-T-R. Water. Drinking water. Shall we move to the next one? What it is? What this boy doing here? You like swimming? Very good. Very good. Okay, very good. The answer is really correct. The answer is swimming. Okay, what is the spelling for swimming? S-W-I-M-M-I-N-G. Swimming. Okay, last one. See the picture. I hope everyone gets this answer. What it is? Washing car. W-A-S-H-I-N-G. Washing car. Washing car. Okay, shall we move to the next one? Second one. Children, listen very carefully, dears. Out of this, mention at least two purposes for which Pranab and his mother could use the collected rainwater. I gave one for you. Okay. Used for plants. Okay. Remaining one, you have to write whatever you know, you have to write it here. Okay. One has been done for you. Okay. Used for plants, and remaining one, B, you have to write it in your own wish, own idea. You have to complete this activity. Okay, the third one, how long do you think we can survive without water? Tick your answer. Okay, children, can we survive without water? If it is possible, they have given 4 choices here. Listen very carefully. 1 day, 2 or 3 days, a week, never. Which one is the correct answer? Can you guess the answer? Which one is the correct answer? Can you guess the answer? Very good. Never is the correct answer. Okay, so without water we cannot survive in this world. Okay, without water we cannot survive in this world. So which one is the correct answer? Never is the correct answer. Okay, children, without water we cannot survive. We cannot survive. Water is the most important for all living things. What are the some ways can we save water in our day-to-day life? Shall we discuss now? Okay, listen very carefully. The first one, dear, open the water tap when it is needed. Okay, open the water tap when it is needed. What is the second one? Take quick shower. Okay, what is the second one? Take quick shower. What is the next one? Turn off your water while brushing your teeth. Okay, turn off your water while brushing your teeth. Okay, next one. talk to others how to save water. You have to discuss with your friends, cousins, neighbor, mother, father. Okay, you have to discuss to how to save water. This is one of the tips. The last one, if you find any leaking tap in your school or home, public places, convey to the elders. Okay, if you find any leaking tap in your school or home, public places, convey to the elder. Children, water is the most important. Without water we cannot survive. So our responsibility, we have to must save water, and we have to protect water, save life. Okay children, okay, I hope everyone enjoy this session. Stay home, stay safe, wash your hands with hand sanitizer, eat healthy food, avoid junk food. Okay, drink plenty of water children, this is the most important, especially hot water. Okay, so use restroom often. Okay children, thank you so much.